graduates. So, mag-represent ko sila. So, ako lang i-share ako lang there. So, good morning, everyone. Let us clap our hands and praise the ever-forgiving and loving living God, for He has been great and good to us. So, palakpakan si Lord. So now, as one of the batch 2023 graduates, I would like to thank all the people who supported me throughout my schooling journey. These people include my parents, grandparents, aunts, and uncles from both sides, relatives, friends, ROTC family, and Apple family. I would also like to thank the people in Dunugan South Chapel who helped me become who I am today. And especially to the Iduabi family who supported me during my senior high school schooling. They also supported me financially. Now let me share a little story about my life. So my journey wasn't that easy. I had my fair share of struggles and hardships. So I will not be sharing all the very kahilak siguro na details na share naman ko sa Facebook, dire na lang. So, as you've known, I came from a low-income family. And with that, at a young age, I learned to sell vegetables that my grandfather organically produced. I would sell it around our neighborhood to earn money. So all of the people na taga-Dalugon, ani nga, nasaruyan ako sa una, dilira gulay, aming isda, unsa pa, so, kung ka ng mga fruits, saksi dyan na sila nga, hatod karon kung pamaligya, gyapon ko. And yeah, again. Now my grandparents would give me 20% share of the net income that would come out of the goods that I sold, which made me happy as a 7-year-old kid. So, for example, makabaligi ako sa Nabusintos, kay isa ka, bangala ko na, may okra, talong, kalabasa. So, ngunit 200, so na ako'y 40 pesos, yan ako nabiyak kayo na sa 2007, 2008. So, muna siya, malipay ko kanya. Lagi next. So the funny thing about this is that I would always work hard to earn money and spend it all on food. So, sa una ka na sa Leslie Batoy, mamligis lang, barbecue diya, ang kinahurot ko dyan na akong kwarta diya, palipog, makaon. So, una na akong dinabisyo sa una magkaon yun. So as you can see, I like to eat a lot. So with that, I was bulkier and rounder compared to kids my age. So which made me become the target of bullies. I was also bullied back when I was still in elementary. So there came to the point where I went home crying and told my mama that I would stop going to school. So gladly, my mama knew how to handle things well. Eventually, the bullying ended after going to high school. Now during my secondary education, I like to compete a lot and participate academically and in extracurricular activities. So during na mga dancing competition, gabi-apil yun nga na katong mga schoolmates na ko diri ako, malo ko na sila. So grabe ka competitive academically. Thankfully, my efforts were paid off because I graduated with honors. Now in college, I had a hard time dealing with online class kay pag online class, kung miso jud kayo, wako'y cellphone, ay nabaday, good thing, ay navigation. I had ako nagka-phone pag online class na jud college. So since high school, padong senior high school, wala ko yung phone. So, ang communication nila kayo, makihulam ako sa ni Papa, makin-text. So, wala na dyan akong tinabuhi sa una. Wala kayo social media. And, thankfully, I graduated with honors. In college, I had a hard time dealing with online classes and got lazy about it. Nagtinapol na dyan ko doon sa budang ML, naghan kayo mga visyo nga sa cellphone. But with that, I tried to cope and did everything possible to retain my grades. To cut the story short, I graduated with flying colors, and here I am today feeling grateful to all the people who helped me and supported me throughout. Now, I thank God for giving me these wonderful people, so including the people na kauna diri and nakahelp mo cultivate kung kinsa ko karon kay the people around you, makabuild po na siya sa imuha. And I will be forever grateful. Now, living in fear will not help you get anywhere. So I had my times nga naghandok ko kapres na kanang katong bullying, katong pag-COVID, nga mahalo ko mabagsak ko, may lagi kay limited resources. So with that, let me share a verse to you as I end this speech. In Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10, God tells us to not to fear. He says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Now thank you all and God bless us.